Hello everybody, this is the only Heikel coming to you at my kitchen trying to show you all how to make a jerk chicken. My way of the recipe, okay? So to start with the ingredients here, I'm gonna show you what I put in on my jerk chicken. Let me show you all. I got a 2 tablespoons of thyme here. I got 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. I got 1 tablespoon of regular jerk chicken seasoning, okay? It comes in basically in a container. It's gonna say jerk chicken seasoning. And I got all season that you can buy from any Jamaican store or any Indian store or any ingredients place that you can get from all season anyway. So I got 1.5 tablespoons of a brown sugar. That will give it a little sweetness to the chicken, okay? And I got here a hot, I think it's called, but if Scotch pepper. So I'm gonna use this, but some people they say don't put the seed here, but I'm gonna put the seed because the more seed that you put in there, the more spicy it gets, okay? You know, as you all know, I love spicy food. And I got 4 leaves of green onion. I got 1 onion.
Why are you putting coffee?
1 full like garlic, full hand. 2 lime juice, sorry, my correction. 2 lime juice, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and 1/3 of soy sauce, and I got 1 table salt. So I'm gonna blend all this in here, but before I do that, I need some sort of something, my own magic that I usually use. I'm gonna show you all. Give me a second. All right, which is right there. Believe it or not, I'm gonna use a 1/4 cup of just club soda. That marination will help the chicken to go through the bone. All right, let's start blending this together, right? So I'm gonna put the onion, the garlic. All right, so let me put some onion, 1/4 like that, put it in there. So I'll put the soy sauce, just like that, the 2 lime. I'll leave the olive oil to the end, okay? I didn't finish all of it. Brown sugar. As I said, I'm gonna put a 1/4. As I said, I'm gonna put a 1/4 club soda. The little soda helps the chicken to go deeper inside the bone. So what I'm gonna do is, before I put Scotch pepper, I'm gonna blend it, and I'm gonna use their chicken on the side. I'm gonna marinate it. Then I'm gonna put this one in the end to make sure ours will be spicy. Stay with me. Let me that. Let me just blend this for now. Fancy stuff. Put it up. I'm gonna put the thyme, the cinnamon, the all season, and the seasoning here all together. Let me use the spoon because otherwise I'm gonna make a mess. And I hate making mess. All right. The good thing about this season, if it's a little bit too much, you don't have to throw it. You can always put it in a container and use it next time you want to make your chicken. It's not gonna go bad, maybe next week or whatever. You can always use it. As usually all you guys know that I love jerk chicken because you know what? It's one of my favorite chicken marinated that I make anyway. I make tandoori chicken. I like it, but I like the jerk chicken better. Good. Add now before I add the oil in the end. So what I will do is I will test, make sure it's not too salty before I put the salt. That's got sweetness and it's perfect. So I don't want to burn my boys. So what I'm gonna do, get the chicken, just make a little. Just to open it up, that's for them. I'm gonna be making this chicken tomorrow. I'm gonna marinate for 24 hours. I'm gonna marinate for 24 hours. If the weather is really good, I'm gonna barbecue it outside. If it's not, I'm gonna put it in the oven and it still is gonna come out the same way. It's not gonna be dry. And I'm gonna show you next time how to barbecue a chicken without getting it so dry. But anyway, let me, what is it? Get started again. That's perfect. All right. It's not too salty, so I don't really need to add any salt. Leave it like that. That's perfect for them. And now, see that? If you're first time eating a jerk chicken, do me a favor, do not put the seed in there because otherwise it will bend. That, I don't want to say the word, is really spicy. Put it in there, all of it. Those are my two boys that are whispering over there. I think it's enough. Perfect. Let me add some soy sauce into theirs. See, usually when I basically use the seasoning, I'm gonna add some salt somehow here. It's okay. To finish it up, I eyeball everything. Like I am putting everything into a measurement because majority of people they don't know and they keep asking me, how come you never tell us the details, how much salt, how much seasoning that you put? But for me, I always eyeball, so I hope this is gonna help. That's enough. So time to marinate ours. So still I'm gonna cut the chicken just to give it a little nice. This extra skin here. I don't like too much skin. So I go cut that part off. Okay, put ours there. So last time when I made the chicken, people are saying, how come, okay, you never show us how you season your jerk chicken? Here I'm showing you all. If you want to make it as dark you want, you can put a more darker soy sauce. Right there. And then it looks like a little bit spicy. Alright, let's put it that way. I'm telling you, it's gonna be spicy. So it's not gonna go bad. So whatever left tomorrow, well, after tomorrow we can eat it because it's only 4 chicken. So just last cup would probably. But the trick is this: you can go ahead and use your hand to marinate it. For me, no, it takes a long time to get it out. So what I'm gonna use, if you don't have gloves, just grab a little plastic here and marinate it. Sorry about my kitchen here is a little bit messy. And I got this. First marinate the one without the spicy here. Because you don't want to marinate this one then go over here. Otherwise you're gonna burn the hell out of the kids. So we put the oil down. Then I come to here. I need some more here. You know what? Use all of it. Why not? And if you do touch it, do me a favor, do not touch your eyes. Otherwise, it will burn the hell out of you. And then you put the olive oil to seal the seasoning. It's good to have gloves, but I don't. I ran out, so I'm gonna use whatever I got. But anyway, right here. So I'm gonna show you all tomorrow when I'm putting in the barbecue at the back, if the weather is good. If it's not, I'm gonna put it in the oven and I'm gonna show you guys the result, how it came out from the oven or at the back. What we're gonna eat with, as usually you guys know, coleslaw and a white rice. I was supposed to make a rice and beans, but tomorrow I'm gonna be easy. I'm gonna be eating with the white rice and coleslaw and a jerk chicken. Then till then, I'll see you tomorrow. After 24 hours of marination, this is how the chicken looks like. Come here. Right here. That's the non-spicy for the kids. And this is the spicy. So I'm gonna put it on the grill and I'm gonna show you all how it's coming out. I hope it's gonna look and taste good as well too. So see you in a minute. Now let me show you. I already put the kids one right there, and I'm gonna put the spicy one now. See how juicy is it? So it takes away from the kids one. This one's gonna be a really spicy. So I'm gonna barbecue here for about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven for about 5 minutes, so that way it can stay juicy. And I'm gonna show you later when I'm gonna be ready to eat. Yeah, right here, getting barbecued really well. So I'm gonna put it in the oven right now for about 10 more minutes, and then it will be done, ready. Here is the final work. The jerk chicken is done. I hope you all enjoyed how I did it. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, as usually what I say. Yeah, yeah!
Yeah, yeah.
We have a witness here. How was it, man?
So good. It's actually real good.
It's not that spicy, right?
No, it's perfect. And you want to lick every single finger you have.
Thanks, man. Appreciate that.
So good.
You heard that? Yeah, yeah!